Now what we can do now is we've got our 3D shape is I can use that in conjunction with the line tool. So if I decide I want to draw a roof on top of this house, all I do is I bring my mouse over to here to the line tool, click on the line tool. Now if I put my pencil there on the edge, not on the face but on the edge, if I carry it along, when it gets to the center point you'll see that it turns into a circle and comes up with the prompt that says midpoint. Now that's the center of that face just there. So if I click, hold and drag that down, what that will do is I can again snap it to that middle point. I can draw anywhere along this line if I want to, but if I want to keep it along that middle point, I can just trace that across there and then click and it will draw that. Now if I wanted to just raise up this line, not these two sections here, we could use our push-pull tool on those, but I wanted to make this line here go upwards along this blue axis. I'd now use my move tool. So if I click on my move tool, click there, I can put my mouse over that line in the middle, click and then just pull it up. You'll see there's a straight line, a blue dashed line there that says that it's still on the same axis there. If I start to move it along, you can see that the axis that it's on moves. So I want to keep it just on that blue axis and drag it up just like that.